Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see one past paper question based on probability for year 10 and year 11 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Probability. We are solving past paper question. In this question, write any probability as a fraction. Navpreet has 15 cards with a shape drawn on each card. 5 cards have a square, 6 cards have a triangle, and 4 cards have a circle drawn on them. Navpreet selects a card at random. Write down the probability that the card has a circle drawn on it. If I have to pick the card which has a circle drawn on it, so I have only 4 cards. Total cards are 15. So the probability is written as the favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes are only 4 and the total number of outcomes are 15. Let's write down the probability as 4 over 15. That is my probability for selecting a card with a circle drawn on it. Let's see the second question here. Navpreet selects a card at random and replaces it. She does this 300 times. Calculate the number of times she expects to select a card with a circle drawn on it. We have just find out the probability of selecting a card which has a circle drawn on it. She does this 300 times. I need to multiply this probability with 300. Let's multiply that. 4 over 15 times 300. If I cancel this with 15, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30 and 0. The number of times she expects to select a card with a circle drawn on it is 80 times. Let's see the next question here. Navpreet selects a card at random, replaces it and then selects another card. That means she is picking 2 cards, one at a time. Calculate the probability that one card has a square drawn on it and the other card has a circle drawn on it. He didn't say that whether you have to pick the first card as a square or the first card as the circle. So I have to take both the probabilities together. So I'll pick 2 cards and I'll pick another 2 cards. So first card has square and second card has circle drawn on it. Next probability I will find out as the first card has circle drawn on it and the second card has square drawn on it. Let's write down the probabilities here. I need to pick the square. How many squares do we have? We have 5 squares and the total number of outcomes are 15. So this probability is written as 5 over 15 times. I need to pick the circle. There are 4 circles. So 4 over, he replaces the card back. So the total number of cards will remain the same. So it will be 4 over 15. Circle 4 over 15 times square is 5 over 15. I need to add both the probabilities because I have done it separately. This will be written as 2 times of 4 over 15 times 5 over 15. This will be written as 2 times of 5 times 2 is 20 over 15 times 15 is 225. My probability is written as 40 over 225. That is the probability. Let's solve the next question here. Neither card has a circle drawn on it. So I am picking 2 cards here. So I'll put 2 crosses here. I don't want circles at all. That means I am picking only square and the triangle. If I add square and the triangle, they are 11 in total. 5 plus 6, 11 in total. So if I pick the first card, it will be written as 11 over 15. He replaces it back so the number of cards will remain the same. Again, I am picking one more card. So the cards will remain the same as 11 over total number of probability is 15. If I multiply them, my answer is 121 over 225. That will be my answer for this part. Let's write on the answer here. Let's see the next question here. Navpreet selects 2 cards at random without replacement. Now he is not replacing it back. So the number of cards will reduce by 1. Calculate the probability that only one card has a triangle drawn on it. So I need to pick a card which has only triangle drawn on it. Let's do this question here. So I am picking 2 cards without replacement. So only one card has triangle drawn on it, and number of triangles are 6 in total. So the probability is given as 6 over 15. Next, I don't want to pick triangle because I already picked triangle. So the other shapes are square and circle. Square and circles are 5 plus 4, 9. This will be written as 9 over 14 because one card is reduced. I have to pick one more option. I am again picking two cards. In the first place, I am not picking triangle at all. So my number of probability is written as 9 over 15, and then I am picking the triangle, which will be written as 6 over 14. I need to add the probabilities because I have done it separately. This will be written as 2 times of 9 times 6 over 15 times 14. This will be written as 2 times of 9 6 54 over 15 times 14 is 210. 54 times 2 is written as 108 over 210. So the probability is given as 108 over 210. Let's see the next part here. The two cards have different shapes drawn on them. So if I have to pick the card which has different shapes drawn on them, so I have to take three options. So first, I have picked square, not a square. Then I have to pick triangle, and it is not a triangle. Then I have to pick a circle, and this is not a circle. Let's write down all the probabilities here first. The probability of selecting a square is written as 5 over 15 times not square. Not square is triangle and the circle, all of them together. That will be total 10 in numbers. So this will be written as 10 over 14 because he is not replacing the card back. Plus triangle. Triangles are 6 in numbers. So 6 over 15 times not triangle. That will be written as 5 plus 4, which is 9. 9 over 14. Plus circle. Circle is 4 over 15 times not circle is 5 plus 6 is 11 by 14. Solve this here. 5 times 10 is 50. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 11 times 4 is 44 divided by 15 times 14 is 210. If I want to add it, my answer will be 148 over 210. So this answer is written as 148 over 210. This is the first method of solving this question. Second method is, as they say that the two cards have different shapes on them, I will find out the answer of selecting all the same cards together and I'll subtract it from 1. Let's do this with this part also. 1 minus same color. 1 minus same color means you are picking square, square, plus triangle, triangle, plus circle, circle. Let's subtract it. 1 minus square, square. So first square is 5 by 15. Second square is 4 by 14. Plus triangle. First triangle is written as 6 over 15. Second triangle is 5 over 14. Circle. First circle is 4 over 15 times second circle is 3 over 14. I need to calculate that. Let's write down here. 1 minus 5 times 2 is 20. Plus 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 4 times 3 is 12 over 15 times 14 is 210. This will be written as 1 minus, if I add it all of them, this will be written as 62 over 210. Let's write down here. Take the LCM as 210. 210 minus 62. This will be written as 148 over 210. This is the same answer what we found out earlier. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.